Hello everybody! Welcome to the first ever episode ng Coconut VA Fireside Chat. Oo, bagong-bagong series natin to. Dito lamang yan sa ating YouTube channel. Kaya hindi ka pa nag-follow or subscribe now yourself dahil for this first ever episode, pag-uusapan natin isang napakainit na topic at tinatawag natin na bakit ka nare-reject sa Coconut VA? Ano yung mga common application mistakes? Based on the experience of ating mga guests for tonight, kasama natin yung mga HR and recruitment team ng Coconut VA. Pero bagong lahat, no, let me introduce myself. I'm Jam. I'm the sourcing and community manager of Coconut VA. I am the coconut of Coconut. Joke lang! And together with me, of course, unahin natin our HR manager of Comp and Ben, Shira. Shira, ano ka-winner pala ako? Introduce yourself.
Hello everyone! So yun na nga, sabi ni Jam, I am the HR Manager for Compensation and Benefits and naging part din ako ng hiring team for about 4 months.
Ayan, o di ba? Oo, yung mga Comp and Ben, pagka late ka magbigay ng ng invoice mo, paano ka sasahod, di ba? All right, next to me is of course, ayan, eto, naka-mirror ako. Fem, our HR manager, come on, introduce yourself.
Hi! Hello po. Ako ang pinaka-sweet girl. Char! Ako po ang VA Success for Coconut VA, onboarding and all concerns, chicas. Diyan tayo magaling. So, first role ko dito ay sa recruitment but HR na right now. So, hi!
Yes, oo. Pag may kailangan kayo, ayan, si Fem ang takbuhan nyo. Ayan, o di ba? Next, of course, one of the recruitment manager we have here, naka-mirror ako. Ayan, si Justin. Go for it. Introduce yourself.
Right. Hi, guys. So my name is Justine. I'm one of the hiring managers here at Coconut VA. And yeah, so I'm basically sorting your applications and doing the interviews and matching you with the clients as well. So, yep.
Diba? Ayan, kaya ayusin yung mga nilalagay nyo sa iyong application form. Mamaya naghahanap ng go high level, tapos hindi nyo nalagay, marunong ka pa na, paano ka ba sa search ngante? Hindi ka na filter. Uy! Sorry. Hindi mo tayo sisimula. And of course, employee number one. Employee number one of the hiring and billing manager as well. Oh, ginamit ko na yung billing, ha? Liza! Ayan, it's
Hey
Liza.
everyone! So yes, I'm one of the hiring managers then like Justin. So same lang kami ng role. And also we send out the job description to you if may client interview ka. We send off yung full details ng client so you can prepare for your client interview. And also billing manager for the singil ako ng mga clients ni Coconut VA. So ayun, syempre para for the, 'di ba, with the income dai.
No singil, no sahod. Ganon.
True. Yan.
All right. We are very excited for this episode, mga mi. Once again, kung skinip mo yung first part at pumunta ka dito sa middle part, ang topic natin ngayon ay common mistakes or common application mistakes. Bakit ka nga ba na chuchugi o bakit ka nga naman ba hindi napapansin yung profile mo sa ating, ayan, pool or ang ating pangmalakasang Coconut VA, ang tawag dito, talent pool, di ba? Yung favorite natin yung talent pool na yan eh. Di ba? So, sagutin natin isa-isa. Okay, ang mangyayari dyan is sila ang mag-share one by one. Okay, they will give one reason each. So, simulan muna natin, okay? Sa nag-iisang Comp and Ben Queen, let's go for Shira. Shira, bakit nga ba? Why o why? Okay. Ano yung isa sa mga pinaka common application mistakes? Oo.
Hindi nagpo-proofread. So please proofread your application, your resume before you send it over to us. Kasi I remember, may isang, actually, hindi lang nag-iisang applicant yun. May ilang applicants na nilalagay nila sa soft skills nila, attention to detail. pero hindi sila nag-proofread ng kanilang resume or application. So for example, I remember this one applicant, pharmacist ata siya before. So one of her jobs is to read prescriptions, right? Yung spelling yun ng prescriptions is E lahat. So bukod doon, we send out a Coconut VA template for resumes. And then hindi nila ini-edit yun. So meron pang yung format natin na job title, month, year, nakalagay pa din doon.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. Mga
that is very
placeholders.
Yes, that is very important because we have clients that are looking for VAs that has a high attention to detail, and kahit na spelling mistake lang yun, kahit na typo error lang yun, that's really big because it shows how attentive you are to the job that you are doing, even if it's just an application. So it gives an impression to the employer na hindi mo nire-review yung application mo, yung resume mo before mo sinasubmit. And that reflects as well as to your, I don't know, your working style in the future,
Yeah.
right? So yeah, proofread your applications, your resumes before you send it over to us.
Especially if you're applying as a copywriter and you don't know how to proofread, you have wrong spelling. So I don't think that's like a green flag to your future client, right?
Yes, or for example, executive assistant ka, tapos hindi ka nagpo-proofread. So sinabi mo dun sa client mo na 3 a.m. PST, o 3 p.m. PST yung meeting, CST pala siya or MST pala siya. O edi na miss out na ni client yung meeting niya. So diba, those are very important details na you need to look out for.
Yung
Kaya
papa-OMG talagang kliyente mo dyan, T. Oo.
So sorry na, sorry po, ganon.
Based on your experience, guys, so ang topic kasi ni ang sagot ni Shira is not proofreading. Sa inyo, sino pa sa inyo ang may experience na yung inyong aplikante ay hindi nag-proofread kaya na-chugi? In what factor? Like in what experience? Meron ba? Si Justin, ayan si Justin. Si Justin lagi yan nasa monday.com din tsaka si Liza, ayan. So may ano ka ba, may experience ka about not clients, talents or applicants not proofreading kaya na-eliminate? Eliminate?
Well, for that, sa ganyang case, meron na naka-reach na talaga sa client. And then, hindi siya napili because napuna ng client na may typo siya sa kanyang resume. So, up to that point na talaga. So, wala na talaga kaming magagawa. And then, ayun, wala na talagang chance na makuha siya ng client. So, yeah.
Especially
Proofread.
sa mga clients na naghahanap ng bookkeeping skills, right?
Correct.
Need
Uy,
talaga.
numbers yun, di pwedeng hindi ma-proofread yun.
Correct. Yeah.
Man yun di ba? OMG. OMG talaga. Alright, so number 1 is proofread. Okay. Parang tanong natin yung pangalawang guest. Thank you, Shira, for that input. Come on. So, may I call on next Fem? Anong second reason kung bakit ang ating mga aplikante ay, hindi pumapasa sa ating application?
Is the video. Intro vid, so nandun naman nakalagay, instructions, Zoom video, 1 to 2 minutes. Dami nagtatanong kung paano paliitin yung sasabihin doon sa di ba, sa video. So basically highlight your experience. Ang hinihingi namin ay yung experience nyo. Ano yung nagawa nyo na, not yung I have time management skills. I have administrative skills. Ganon. Dapat ko ano na yung mga previous yung nagawa para 'di ba solid, kasi hindi lang kami yan yung video na yan, hindi lang kami yan para nag-i-screen, binibigay namin yan sa US clients. 'Di ba kung yung video mo may sampayan, may kita ng client sa likod ba? O 'di ba? Out, ganon. So yun lang, dapat ang hina-highlight nyo is yung talagang responsibilities that you did previously or currently. Mas mas patok yun kaysa sa you're just saying na time management, proactive, ganon. Communicative skills, ganon. So,
yung player.
intro vid talaga. Doon talaga nagkakatalo sa intro vid, I believe. Kasi, again, ilalapit yan sa US clients. Yun yung ibibigay. Ganon.
I believe. Kasi ito yung first impression nyo, guys, no? Like, ito yung unang titingnan ni kliyente, no? Sa profile mo. ano like if they want to know more about you na wala dun sa video, doon na nila ipo-pull out in yung resume. If you guys don't know, I created a video on how to actually create that impactful introduction video ni Coconut VA. It's in our series na Coconut VA application tips. Check it out. I'm gonna link it here sa description box. It's very helpful. Nilagay ko dyan yung 10-80-10 rule. Bukod dun sa tips and suggestions ni Tyler kung paano babuin ang inyong introduction video gamit ang Loom. Bukod dun sa mga examples na links na nakalagay dun sa Loom video na yon, yung mga great examples of introduction videos, nagdagdag ako ng segment doon ng yung 10-80-10 rule. Paano mo nga ba, no? Ano ba dapat laman ng inyong introduction video? 10%, no? Brief introduction. 80% is your experience, exposure, tools, no? And 10% is your call to action. 10-80-10 rule. So, tingnan niyo sa video, it's linked here in the description box. Alright? Very critical kasi to guys. Hindi namin pwede itong palagpasin, no? Kasi dito, kahit maganda ang experience nyo, pero yung intro video nyo ay hindi giving, no? Yung lighting, yung audio, yung background, may sampayan, yung framing, no? Yung framing, iba kasi naka-zoom in talaga, instant zoom in. 'Di ba? Huwag ka mag-zoom in, hindi kayo close to client, no? Medyo level ka lang, headroom, 'di ba?
Gana
Mga
po
ganyan.
daw.
Right? And how you express yourself. I think one of that also, guys, may dadagdag ba kayo about intro videos, guys? Reading? Did you mention, Justin, about reading, or Liza? Yeah, what about reading?
As one more thing, guys, please don't read kapag nag-record kayo sa intro videos nyo. Kasi it doesn't look genuine. It doesn't look and sound genuine. Tapos, we couldn't really gauge your skills and experience well kapag pinabasa nyo lang. And then, sometimes, parang malalaman talaga namin kapag sinachat GPT nyo lang yung intro video nyo. And then, sometimes, nakikita pa sa video na screen share nyo sa notepad yung intro video, yung intro video script nyo. So, nakikita pa sa video. So, please don't read the intro video. Kasi as what Ate Fem said, sinesend yun sa client. So, it's not just us who takes a peek or sa intro video nyo, sinesend din yun sa client. So, yun.
Naka-screen share ang what?
Naka-screen
ba yung
share.
screen?
Yung screen sa notepad.
Naka-present yung script habang nagtasalita siya sa Loom?
Yes.
Very
You know,
wrong.
pwede naman
Yeah.
mag-script Pwedeng mag-script, pero you glance. Para nakalimutan.
Yes.
Correct.
Kasi
Nothing wrong with
hindi kayo
scripts.
nonchalant. Hindi kayo nonchalant na kunwari ay ganyan kayo, straight. Tapos, yung mata nyo naman ay for the typewriter So, halata na nagbabasa. So,
Minsan
something.
naka-focus lang on one part sa screen yung yung sa video. So, parang robot na yung dating.
Feel
Yeah.
confident po. Mga aspiring coconut VAs. Feel confident lang. I remember yung una kong video, it was one take because sabi ko, gusto ko mag-apply sa coconut VA. Let's go. Yun. Upo ako. Yan. I said to myself, ito yung ginagawa ko. This is me. And yes, yun lang. So be true to yourself, be confident. Talagang kahit na kinakabahan kayo, pwede kayo mag-stutter na, it's normal naman Pero at least, diba, we can see na, ito talaga, this is the real, the candidate na hindi nagbabasa, ito yung personality. So, yun.
Yeah, I agree. Tawag dito, kayo na nga pinapanood ko yung parang flashback ako bigla, te. Pinanood ko na yung Loom video ko, intro video, nag-cringe ako, te. Sabi ko, no, ba't ko to pinasa? Alam mo, te, 4 minutes. Kasi nga, pinlash ko nga yung portfolio ko na website. Which is okay lang naman. Pero guys, 1 to 2 minutes. But sabi nga nila, you only have less than a minute to sell yourself. So, wag yung gayahin, te. Wag yung intro video ko. Hindi siya best example. Anyways, yes, very important. Yes,
Tapos
go.
yung in addition to that, since nasa intro video pa naman tayo, wag naman kayong magsando or mag-spaghetti. Pakiusap lang.
Correct.
We're not requiring you guys to wear coat, hindi naman. You can simply wear your shirts. Naka-t-shirt ka lang, okay na sa amin yun. Pero wag naman wag yung, nakasando, my God, naka-spaghetti, tapos, no, it's not giving. So, reject.
Smart casual, guys. Please, smart
Yeah,
casual.
naka-shirt lang,
Remember,
presentable.
in the introduction video, you're representing yourself as a business or an entrepreneur. Here in Coconut VA, we consider you as an independent contractor. So we need to say you're a freelancer. So you have to represent your brand, your business in a positive and impactful way. Okay? So ang dami natin pinag-usapan about introduction video. Let's move on to the next candidate. Let's go for Liza. Anong yung one more reason why hindi sila pumapasa or common application mistakes?
Siguro ay yung mga recycled application like from the other like apply ka from other siguro
Bako.
agency or client ganyan. So ano lang ni-recycle mo lang sa next employer or kay Coconut VA. So yung intro video, yung minsan yung intro video for Coconut VA is simple lang, introduce yourself, 'di ba? Yung mga skills mo ganyan. Yung iba may ina-answer na question. Ina-answer na
Talaga?
question, oo. Ano ba yung mga question na usually kasi yung ibang mga companies nag-a-ask ng like may questions kang kailangan sagutin na kailangan mo sagutin sa video mo. So, yun yung nilalagay nila. So, ang layo. Paano namin siya ibibigay sa clients? Paano namin i-recommend? Paano namin malalaman yung skills mo? So, yun, yung mga recycled na ano ba?
Na profile, oo, yung resume, portfolio,
Correct.
with video. Kaya nga kami guys sa Coconut VA, kung nakaabot kayo sa application form, makita niyo doon na meron kaming sharing template of resume with all the instructions. Hindi ko na alam kung marilito ka pa doon, no? Tapos meron pa kaming instructions for your 1-minute video. So kung nag-recycle ka, nilagay mo yung link ng Google Drive mo doon, halata talagang hindi ka nagbabasa. And automatic guys na it's 'di ba? Ano pong
Mm.
experience sa mga nagre-recycle ng profile diyan, guys? Meron pa ba kayong experience diyan?
Meron ako yung sa Loom video niya, title pa lang, application to blank, yung agency. Ay,
Uy,
mali ka na sinendan.
wrong, wrong message, day. Wrong
Pension na ba to? Ganon. So, di ba?
I remember, pinakita sa akin, parang nag-email siya, may I follow up on my application on blank?
Parang, parang pinakita mo yan.
Copy-paste talaga.
Oo.
Correct.
Diba? So, and that's the reason why I don't like as a creator, as a VA creator, freelance creator, I don't like giving out templates kasi they literally just copy and paste it. So, I want them to use their brains talaga with that, no? So,
Mima,
totoo,
meron pang sa intro video, naalala ko din. So, yung kay yung sa'yo email yun, 'di ba? Yung kay Fem title. Yung
Mm.
sa akin, sa mismong intro video yun. So, sabi niya, "Hello, insert name of VA agency here." So, "Hello, VA agency." Tapos, sinend niya sa atin. So, siguro napagod na siyang mag-customize ng kanyang intro video at yun na yung sinend niya. Kaya, no, i-review na din naman bago
yeah,
niya
as someone who posts all the job listings or job postings online sa social media platforms, nagugulat ako na in less than 15 minutes, may nagme-message agad na application sent. Uy, ba't ang bilis, te? Di ba may mga exam pa yan? Recycled to, no? Di ba? So, do not recycle because always remember that when you apply, not just here in Coconut VA, but in other clients, you have to make sure that your profile is personalized based on the job opening that you applied to. Ganon siya. Okay? So, dapat ganon. Hindi siya like the more entries you send, the more chances of winning. Hindi. The more personalized you are, no? The more you take time and prepare for that application, the more may chance ka mag-stand out and magkaroon ng chance ma-match sa ating mga clients. Do you believe, guys? Do you believe? Comment.
Yes.
I believe.
But
Yes.
sorry, I just wanna add, yung personalized, it's professionally pa rin ha. Baka kasi may nagsisend sobrang personalized, like, hindi ko masabi kasi masyado.
Anime.
Pero may nag-send sa amin super, super personalized na akala niya ata ay magla-livestream sa
Audition.
Twitch. Oo.
Yes. Yung may
Tapos,
Oh,
nakita
anime
niya pa yung gusto niyang pagkain. Ito,
nakita niya pa.
may iba pa ng
It's
answer.
all about her. Just her. Walang about the
Kalma.
professional.
Kalma lang. Personalized means yung identity mo, you let yourself show doon sa video. Hindi yung personalized na ang dami mong angulo na nagkulang na lang ay mag-photoshoot ka. Ganon. So,
Ano ka ba? Slambook yan, miss. Slambook! Favorite color.
so
What's your high school?
audition nga ata yung ina-applyan eh.
Oo, parang audition. Agree.
Audition ba yun?
Audition
Oo.
for the streaming, gamer.
Oo, e-girl siya, e-girl, ganon.
Ganon, e-girl.
Ayan, so pinag-usapan natin, not proofreading. We talked about recycling profiles. We talked about introduction video. We have one last. Okay, one last from Justin. Justin, what's your entry? Bakit sila hindi nakakapasa?
Tapos na ako, Jam.
Ay, tapos na, hindi ako nagpa-follow ng Insta.
Oh my God, Jam.
Ayan
NFI.
na, not dito.
Ayan na.
Printed.
Out.
Paano ba ako
Paano nakapasok
na-hire?
dito?
Paano ako naka-hire?
Paano yun?
Hala,
I
sino nga
think
ba yun?
baka yung
Sino pa
skills
hindi?
yung kasi kulang tayo isang tao eh. O, mag-change outfit ako. So, yung isa,
Nasabi
tayo
na
isang tao eh.
apat? May nasabi na
Mm-mm.
apat?
Yeah.
Ay, ano na, Jam? Ano nang gagawin natin? So, okay. Summary lang, no? Summary, joke lang. Summary na pinag-usapan natin. Bakit tayo hindi pumapasa sa Coconut VA or sa application or common application mistakes? Ano yung una na pinag-usapan natin? It's proofreading. Okay. Pangalawa? Ano yung pangalawa?
Introduction.
Introduction video. Okay. Pangatlo?
Go 10.
Ano yung binigay nating
Nagbabasa.
Nagbabasa. Oo.
Nagbabasa.
Ayun.
Nagbabasa, te.
It's
Ikaw may
just
kasalanan
scripted.
kaya kami nagkakagulo dito. Uy, joke lang! Pang-apat is recycling.
Yeah.
Recycling of the profile. Okay? So, guys, sana nakatulong itong episode na ito. No? By the way, maraming salamat, team hiring and team recruitment for your time. Palakpakan naman natin sila sa comment section, di ba? Sa comment section. And comment below, no? Guys, kung ano ang natutunan dito at kung saan kayo guilty. Hindi namin kayo judge. Hindi. Huwag na lang guilty. What do you want to improve on? Ayan, di ba? It's better. It's betterer. Better rest.
Better rest.
Best test.
That's it.
Yes, and on the next episode, of course, we're gonna talk about another topic. So, abangan yan. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa first ever episode. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Good luck on your application!
Laban.
You guys can do it.
Good luck.
Bye.